Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily delete a beneficiary in Revolut. So what you want to do is when you want to click on a middle button, you're gonna see like recents here, and then I'm going to click on the account, right? Or like transfer money, bank accounts, and I gotta see the beneficiary right here. So what you can do is just click on the beneficiary on the right top corner. So again, you come here on Revolut, you click mark your account, transfer under your name, then you're gonna see bank accounts, click on the bank account, go right top corner to the bank, click on it, and click delete. And this is how you can simply delete a beneficiary on Revolut. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.